And now this is something that we definitely didn't do a year before. We definitely did not do this 1 year ago, because we didn't have this information. We didn't have 50 sessions or more to test all the issues. So in essence, these are the 5 key aspects. The worst thing that can happen to you, and this goes for hybrid sessions or online sessions, you don't have your internet. You're not connected to your club. So a really good alternative is that you have mobile data ready on your cell phones, on special equipment, but find a way to never not have internet. Internet is what makes your session connect. Then preparation is the key to success. I mean it almost as a cliche, but it actually is the most important thing, because if you test your sound, video, and the screen sharing before the beginning of your session, the likelihood that you don't have those hiccups, oh, can you hear me? Oh, can you see me? Oh, why can't I share my screen? That's disruptive, and that's as a normal session would be. We want to get that out of the way. We want to get that in the beginning before the session even starts. Then, and I've seen this in a couple of clubs, sound is much more important than image or video. As you can imagine, if I close my camera right now, you can keep listening, you can keep seeing the screen I'm sharing. But if I cut off my sound, you will only have this support. And if I didn't have a presentation, you will only see my face. I happen to not speak sign language, and I'm sure that you on the other side happen to not know how to read it or understand it. So sound is much more important than image or video. Then this issue is actually fairly common, and we strived really hard to not have it, is the fact that some clubs, and perhaps even us in the beginning, use too much technology. Don't use more than what you need. Don't overcomplicate things for a number of reasons, but just by itself, if you need a camera, use a smartphone, not a laptop. If possible, or use just a camera, but it's harder to connect to Zoom. And then simplify your setup. It's not just about technology, it's about knowledge. It's about knowing that what you have, what you can give to your members, to your club, it's not just to be the best, it's something that you can actually make sure that once the person that was in charge of it is not there, you can have someone else do it. You can share this knowledge, you can transfer this knowledge, so you can give it continuity. It's almost like the roles in Toastmasters, the officer roles, that you shouldn't just keep the knowledge to yourself, you should learn how to share it. That's what I mean by this simplifier set.